we have both the captains in the center with the match referee.
Tails is the call, and tails it is. It's a good toss to win. They really need to make most of the conditions now. These are the playing 11 for the respective teams. Here come the openers, greeted with a loud
Pace bowler into the attack.
batsman getting into position to face the first ball of the innings. Hit on the body, it's a nasty delivery. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. No ball called.
There is a fielder at cover.
Oh, shot, but only a single. That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
No ball called by the umpire.
That is an aggressive field in place. I like how they're going for wickets at this stage.
It's nicely timed. We'll only get one though. He's calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
It will be interesting to see where the bowler will test the batsman with the short one.
That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. They're packed one side, making the batsman go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Spinner into the action from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way.
Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. Plays and misses. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end.
There is a fielder at cover.
Trying to up the run rate there. A very loose shot in the end. Last ball of the innings coming up. The first innings comes to a close. The target is set and the openers rush to the pavilion to get padded up for the chase. Keeping wickets in hand would
Pace bowler into the tank.
That's a very unorthodox kind of a field he has set. That is a very quick single taken. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. They have run the first one quick. That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Missed that completely. They're packed one side, making the batsman go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide.
There is a fielder at cover. That is 6. That is just magnificent batting. He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
That is a nice shot. Timed it beautifully for 4. The winning runs are scored and the batsmen congratulate each other after having won the game for their side.